In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an HSBC bank account online in 2025 with this full guide. Now, if you're ready to manage your finances more efficiently, let's get started. One of the first steps in opening an HSBC bank account online is deciding which type of account best suits your needs. HSBC offers a variety of checking accounts, each designed with different benefits and features. To make an informed decision, head over to their checking accounts page to explore the different options available to you. This will help you compare the features and choose the best account type that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. Once you've made your decision, it's time to start your application. Navigate to the account opening page on HSBC's website and look for the Apply Now button next to your chosen account type. This will lead you into the application process where you can officially begin. Next, you'll need to complete the online form. This step involves entering your personal and financial information. Be ready to provide details, such as your full name, current address, employment details, and income information. It's crucial to ensure all information is accurate, as any discrepancies here can slow down your application process. You'll also need to verify your identity. This is a key part of the process to ensure security and compliance with banking regulations. HSBC may request that you upload specific documents such as a government-issued ID or a utility bill for address verification. Make sure these documents are clear and readable to avoid any delays. After completing the form and verifying your identity, carefully review all the information provided to ensure it's correct before moving forward. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit your application. This is where your application will be formally reviewed by HSBC. After submitting, there's a bit of a waiting game as the bank reviews your information. If your application is approved, congratulations, you'll receive your new account details in the mail, typically along with your debit card. Depending on the option you chose, you might also receive information on accessing online banking services and a guide with instructions on how to set up your digital banking profiles, making it easy to manage funds, pay bills, and more right from the comfort of your home. These steps cover the entire process, and it shouldn't take more than a few days to get finalized. Patience is vital, but if you follow these steps closely, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances with HSBC efficiently. If you encounter any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to HSBC's customer service for support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you open an HSBC bank account with ease.